This is how to install the Terminator terminal using the Deepin Desktop. So go to your applications, search for Snap, click the Snap Store icon, click the magnifying glass in the upper left corner, then search for Terminator. Click the Terminator icon, then click Install. Enter your password. Okay, when that's done, you can close this window. Go to your Applications button, search for Terminator, then you can right-click it and add it to the dock, and then just click the icon. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.